Okay, your search is over. In this today's video, I will show you how you can use popular, faster and open source model inside your Claude Code totally free. You can see it will respond in 3 seconds, it will respond in 2 seconds, it will respond in millisecond. This is the DeepSeek V4 Flash. I'm using it inside the Claude Code totally free, and it will provide 10 requests per minute and 1 lakh token per minute. Currently totally free. You can say this is unlimited as well. Per user can't use 10 requests per minute and 1 lakh token. If you want this type of fast, free and unlimited model, then let's get started. First, go to your favorite browser and search OpenModel. OpenModel.ai will be reflected at the top. Open this website. Then first let's see the model section. Here in model section, most of the model are paid with limited discount, but if you can scroll down, then you can see DeepSeek V4 Flash, which is totally free. Input, output and everything is free. Why any website or company provide a model totally free? Then let's see why it is free. Go to the documentation section here and get started. And here in the event, DeepSeek V4 Flash free event will be reflected. At the top, it will mention DeepSeek V4 Flash is completely free during the open model promotion. It will be free for promoting open models. All other 40 plus models enjoy 20 to 80% off, but DeepSeek V4 Flash is completely free. During the open model limited time event, DeepSeek V4 Flash is completely free. It will clearly mention that it will be completely free. Million token context window, ultra fast interface, zero cost. And it will provide too much amount of request as well. Here it will clearly mention that in the FAQ, this is the FAQ, and here it will mention that both input and output tokens for DeepSeek V4 Flash are free during the event and will not deduct from your account if you have add your balance. But without adding your card info or adding balance, you can easily use it. Free tier is rate limited to 10 requests per minute and 1 lakh token per minute for user. It will more than sufficient for you, and there will be no daily limit and weekly limit. Only the minute request will be limited here. 10 request is enough for each minute, and you can use 1 lakh token within this minute for each user. This is the free event section, and we have cleared that why it is free, how much limit is it, how you can use it. In normal case, you need to pay 0.14 for input and 0.28 for output for this model. But for now, for promotional purpose, it will be free. Use it until it is free. It didn't mention that in how much time it will be free. Use until it will be available. Then how you can use it? First, go to the console section and create account. If you are using it for the first time, you can easily create your account using your Google account. Okay, then you are landed it here. Initially $1 will be reflected. This is not a matter for us. We are going to use DeepSeek V4 Flash for free. In the API key section, create the new API key. I have just created before. I'll delete it and I'll create the new API key and I'll show you how you can use it. We have completed age and everything. Let's create the API key here. Give any name, DeepSeek free, set the time duration. I'll set it for 1 hour only for tutorial purpose, and didn't share your API key with anyone. It need to be a secret. My API key is expired after 1 hour. Then it will be not matter to be published. Okay, after you have create your account, create API key, the next steps you need to install Claude Code to use DeepSeek V4 model inside your Claude Code. Go to the Claude Code documentation section, then install the Claude Code, or I'll show you how you can install it. Open code with Claude Code. Here is the integration with Claude Code. This is the documentation that I have used. You can find this on everywhere. If you are using Mac Linux, use this command. If you are using Windows, use this command to install. You also need to install Node.js and npm. Check is and everything will be installed or not. I'll check Claude will be installed or not. Claude version, if version will be reflected, which means Claude will successfully install in your system. Then after Claude install, it will create .claude folder inside different directory according to the operating system. Then I will instruct you the common way. If you are using for Windows, if you are using for Linux, if you are using for Mac, you can open and configure setting setting.json file from the terminal. Okay, then open your Visual Studio Code and type Command Shift P for Mac and Control Shift P for Windows and source for shell command. Install code command in path. After you have installed it, code command will be successfully installed in the path. Then we can easily use this code command from the terminal. Type code and .cloud folder with this path. Use any path. .cloud folder is located. I will provide this command in video description as well. Press enter. Then cloud folder will be open in your Visual Studio Code whenever it will be created. Then next steps, if you are using it for the first time, then you can see this setting.json. Don't worry, create the new file and give settings.json. Then your settings.json will be initially empty. Then I will also provide this code in video description, but you can easily get it from the documentation. Here in documentation, it will give this code, copy it and paste it here, and also provide Anthropic model. Remaining all will be provided in the OpenModel. Okay, here if you scroll down in the quick integration section, you can get the base URL, copy until .ai not /beyond and paste it in the base URL section. And we have already created the API key. Copy this API key and paste it here. Leave this Anthropic API key empty. Anthropic model will be available here, which is DeepSeek V4 Flash. This model name need to match. Copy it and paste it here. Now you are ready to use. Now you can test it here as well, but I will show you in the main terminal. After you have successfully configured your .cloud folder, just type Claude and press enter. Then your Claude Code will be open in terminal. It will ask Claude Code will be able to read, edit and execute file here. Do you want to give permission? Do you trust it? I trust this folder. Press enter. Then you can see DeepSeek V4 Flash model will be reflected here. If you are underestimate, it is free. Let's see, does it work or not? Hi, you can see it will respond in 3 seconds. It is quick as well. I'm asked another question. Which model is it? Which model is it? I am powered by DeepSeek V4 Flash. See, it will respond in 2 seconds. It will respond in 3 seconds. It is very quick. Are you ready to help me? See, it will respond in 0 seconds. That much fast is it. Didn't underestimate the free model that I'm exploring with you. I will show the best model that I have used, not for YouTube video. I'll show those models that I am currently using. You can see this is the pre-model, but it is fast as well. It will respond in 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 0 seconds. By this way, you can easily use this DeepSeek V4 Flash model inside your Claude Code, powered by OpenModel. Enjoy it until this model is free. Similarly, you can use this inside your Visual Studio Code as well. Just download the Claude Code extension and use it. If you want, comment down below. I will show you how you can use it inside Visual Studio Code as well. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. We'll meet you on the next video. Okay, bye bye. Happy coding.